What's going on, everyone? Got a 2019 Volvo XC90. We're going to replace the remote battery in it today. This pretty much is the same for any of the other Volvos that have this remote. So what we're going to end up doing with this remote is removing this front cover and this rear cover to access the battery, okay? So to take the front cover off, you have a sliding button right here on the bottom that you're going to need to slide down. And when you slide it down, you're going to take the front cover and you're going to actually slide it down like this. See how it moves? We're going to slide it down like that, and we're going to remove it. Once you slide it down, you can basically just pull it right off. All right. Now, if we look real closely, right here at the bottom, there's another sliding button. There's actually another one right here, but that's connected to the bottom of the other button we just used. But right here, we're going to use this button here, and there's actually a little symbol of a battery right here. Okay. Now that one is going to release this back panel. Okay. So we're going to slide this towards the middle. All right, like I'm going to slide it towards the middle like this, and then we can, just like we took the other cover off, we can slide the back cover back and forth. So we'll slide it up, and then we'll take it off. Okay, and the battery lives in this guy right here. We use a small flathead screwdriver, and we're going to turn this counterclockwise. Okay, just a little bit, and that will unlock this cover. Okay. The battery just fell out, and it's in here like, should be in here like this. Okay, something like this. Okay, I'm gonna put it back in here and show you in a minute. I'm gonna get the new battery and I'll show you what size it is. So here's the new battery right here, and the size is gonna be a CR2032, and the positive sign here is gonna be facing out. I'm gonna stick this back in here, not losing it, and get the cover. We're going to lock the cover back in here, okay? So if we look on the remote right here, it has this arrow, and then one says open, one says closed. When these two guys are lined up, it says open. We're going to turn it clockwise where it says close, okay, and that will lock it. Okay, so we're locked now. Get the back cover, and we're going to stick it back on here. Lock it on. Okay, we're going to have to slide it. It's locked on. Same thing with the front cover. Stick it back on here, and then we're going to slide it, lock it back on, and we're all done. Hope the video was helpful, and if it was, I'd appreciate it. I really appreciate it if you'd like, comment, subscribe. Catch you guys in the next video.